Welcome to 519D Bristol Oak in beautiful Abbey Springs in the heart of Fontana, Wisconsin. My name is Margaret Labus. I'm with the Starboard Group of Berkshire Hathaway, and I'd love to take you on this tour of this 2-bedroom, 1.5 bath Alpine unit that's extended, renovated, and totally furnished. Let's take a tour, but make sure you stay until the end for an extra special detail. The kitchen features stainless steel appliances, open to the great room, and beautiful vaulted ceilings. This unit features real hardwood floors in the great room with an extended sun porch and a wall of windows that provides added space off the living room as well as the master bedroom. The great room is anchored by a gas fireplace and sliding doors that bring the outside living in. So what's so special about this unit? It has something no other units have: its own golf cart storage. This storage is year-round, wonderful storage for carts, grills, fishing poles, beach toys, whatever you need, you've got space to put it. So thanks for taking the tour with me here at 519D Bristol Oak. If you have any questions about this unit or any unit in Abbey Springs, please don't hesitate to reach out. We're always happy to help. If you'd like more information about our market here in Southeast Wisconsin, visit connectwithmargaret.com, where you'll find home tours, neighborhood information, and tips and tricks on leading your best lake life. Cheers!